Here is a pCloud review. pCloud is accessible on Safari, Chrome, and Google. You could just go ahead and search for www.pcloud.com. On pCloud, you can log in using your Facebook account, Google or email account, as well as your Apple account, or download it on App Store or Google Play. It is actually only accessible on European countries because it has a Swiss privacy, and they are able to provide you a safety files. They take control and it's your data. You can choose where your files live. It's either Europe or USA. And you can easily manage your access files from everywhere. So you can use your laptop, phone, or tablet from City Beach or Savannah. So it's like you can access your files anytime, anywhere with the PC Cloud. You have no problem with big files because you can go ahead and stack it up. No more storage full applications, and you will never lose your file again even if you accidentally deleted it. And then, it is very easy to manage. So if you like it, download it.